how you deal with people on the airplane.
Get off of me.
Mommy? 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 I thought you were dead. No, just in my dreams. No. I do want cereal. What are you talking about? What are you doing?
Mr. Violet, I love you. Oh, I'm wearing a Hello Kitty shirt. Can I drive? Can I drive? Yay! I want to drive. See? What was that?
The jet went out.
Yay! It's a roller coaster.
There, are you happy I turned the plane upside down? I just did that!
Are you a seat warmer? Oh my, thank you. I got a seat warmer. You're a massage seat warmer. A massage one. Ooh. Oh!
Excuse me, but would you like some nuts?
Can I have peanuts without nuts?
So you just want the pea?
Yeah.
What else would you like?
I don't know. What's on the menu?
We have lemonade, the pink lemonade, and then,
Pink lemonade without the lemon.
so it's just pink-aid?
Yeah.
At least it's kind of like Kool-Aid.
But without the aid.
What's pink? Do you want me to get the band pink?
Yeah. Wait, without the band.
One pink and one pea coming up. Okay. Would you like pink pea?
Ooh. Without the P.
So just pink.
No.
How can I possibly make that?
Without the P.
Where's pea?
Without the E.
Pea.
No. I squish you. There you go. Hee hee.
That's better. Well, thank you and have a nice day.